I gave you my heart.
Hi guys, so today's video is going to be reviewing this makeup palette, and I've also got her Roxi's lipsticks and loads more new products. I've got my concealer and I'm trying out a new face primer as well. So let's just get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is use my concealer. The concealer I've got, the number is C7 and the foundation I've got is F7. So I don't think it's the lighter, but it's like a medium shade. I'm not going to use the foundation today because this is just going to be like what I normally do on a day-to-day basis, but with my concealer and with the new palette. I rarely use foundation. I only use it when there's like a special occasion, but I'll link the video down below of the one video I have done on my foundation, like with my foundation, so it's like a full coverage makeup look. Another thing I forgot to mention is I've got this fixing spray, but I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to try this. I got this in the Valentine's Day gift when you spend £36 in the UK, and I think it's £47 in the US. But this is like a Glow Revolution Prime Set Glow. So I think it does the same thing, but it's more glow. So we're going to try that out. But you need to shake it before you use it. But before we get into that, let's get into the concealer. So I'm sure you can get a bigger version of this as well. So I just use, I've got one of these tiny like blending brush, I've got one of these beauty So this is what I use. Is pretty much just a smaller version of that. It's tiny, but it just helps me get into the corners and everything like that. As you can see, you do get quite a lot. It doesn't look like it, but you do get quite a lot in the product. And then I put a bit on my chin. I haven't done this for quite some time. It may look ridiculous without foundation, but hopefully not. This is what it looks like. As you can see, when you blend it in, it pretty much matches my skin tone. So all it does is take away the redness. Like this was redder and that was a bit red, but I try not put as much on this because normally when I put too much on, it goes all flaky and it just makes the makeup not look great. So this is the palette. So it has so many pinky shades and like nude shades as well. By the way, that did not come like that. When I ripped it off, if you're on my Instagram, you would have seen it first. You wouldn't have seen me rip it off, but I dug my nail into this while trying to get like the plastic layer off. So that's why it looks like that. But I'm going to do a pink makeup look, and I really, really badly want to use that colour. That colour is the colour that was like, I need this palette, like I need it. And the actual case of it feels like, I don't know how to explain it. It just feels bumpy, but in like a nice way. It feels like what it looks like. So it's meant to look like one of them knotted blankets, and it just feels like if you go over a knotted blanket, you can feel the ruffs. There's so many nice colours. The first colour I'm going to use is this one here for my eyeshadow base, and then we're going to use that shimmer. But the colour that I'm using is called Nighttime. By the time you're seeing this, you would have seen the last video. If you have not, go check out my latest my last video from this video, but these are the two makeup brushes that I've been using lately. I use this one as a base and then that one as the glitter colour. So this is the eyeshadow, the first base. I will say, if you don't put like more than a little, like don't put too much, but if you don't like proper dab it, you have to do a couple of layers, but that all depends on how you want it to show up. But I really like my eyeshadow to be very pigmented and show very well, so that's why I've done it like more than you probably would do it. Like probably one layer of dabbing it will be fine for you, but I needed to do it like once or 3 times, like depending how much I picked up. Now I'm going to do my cut crease with this eyeshadow primer. I just remembered, luckily I've not put foundation on. I have not used this. So luckily I also did not put my highlight on. I'm not doing so well. I'm going to do my eyeshadow and then do the rest of my face makeup. I just want to say, in Roxi's video, she did say the glitter is good on normal eye, like just without no primer, but she said it is better with a primer and like a ticky base, so it can tick better. So just a little tip for you, just letting you know if you did not watch the video. Now I'm going to use the colour called Dazzle. Okay, first tip, you don't have to dab so much. Loads come off, like loads. You can't really see how much that is. So just a little dab on this one. That is beautiful. And I do want to say, no hate on Revolution, I love your brand, but I will say, out of all the Revolution eyeshadows, Roxi's eyeshadow palettes are the best. Most of these types of glitters that I use do not tick on my eyes. But oh my god, that's stunning! Can you guys even see that? I don't think it will be showing as good on camera. This is the eyeshadow. I'm going to put a little bit more of the nighttime eyeshadow on, just because you can see a bit of the glitter going over, so hopefully that will like layer it and like cover it. So because it is that type of shimmer glitter, it's not just glitter, let me like show you. It looks like that if it focuses. Hopefully you can see it, sorry if you can't, but it's like little bits of glitter, it's not just that. So that is why you get more glitter around your face. But except from that, I love that colour. It's stunning. Definitely, what I say is definitely not a going out like a going to the shops outfit makeup look, but I probably would, because I have no shame. I just love experimenting with my makeup. So now I'm gonna put this on because I forgot to put it on earlier. So this is the Strawberry Whip Pore blurring primer. So I don't have many pores, I don't think, mostly on my nose. But hopefully this helps. Put too much on. Way too much on. So the other one I had was a white, like this was white, but now this is more creamier and the colour has changed. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but let's try it. I normally just put it around that consistency, it feels so thick. It smells really nice though, it smells like strawberries. I guess if you don't want to put foundation on, this could be like a foundation layer, because I definitely did not need that much. Because it does give a little bit of a colour. My face just smells like strawberries now. That's enough. So I've got this much left, so I have put way too much on my arm. But it's really thick but like smooth at the same time. I'm really bad at explaining things, so I'm so sorry if you don't know what I mean. It feels like it does cover, like I can feel it covering my skin. So I guess that's it doing its job. I would need to test it out with actual foundation on my face as well. Last thing I need to put on is my lipstick. So I've got these 3 lipsticks. I'm going to try out this one because it goes more with my eyeshadow. This is what the brush, the lipstick brush comes at. I will say it's really thin, but I haven't used that type of brush before. So let's try it out. But this is the lipstick as well. Again, it gives a really nice coverage. It doesn't feel glossy, that sticky glossy, but it feels like a glossy lipstick. Like it just doesn't have that stickiness, and I love that. As you can see, it does go a little bit matte. For me, the applying it is really good. Yeah, my words aren't coming out, but I really recommend it. I will say, I haven't tried both of them on, so I don't know, but from the looks of it, these two look the same, and this is more brown than I thought it would come out as. I don't like my brown, so if you like your brown lipsticks or like your nude lipsticks, I really recommend this lipstick set as well. And if you like your full coverage on your primer, really recommend it. I'm going to try it out more, but for the first try, I think it is really good. This is the final look. So if you do like your pinky tones, because most of her eyeshadow or like makeup collection is mostly pinky tones, I would say, she has got this eyeshadow palette as well. And this is probably one that I don't use as often, but this is the brightest eyeshadow palette she has. But except from that, I would say most of the two, this eyeshadow palette and the other eyeshadow palette, they're both pinky nudes. So like brown nudes and then a bit of pink and then a bit of colour in between. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what other types of makeup videos you want me to do in the future. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe. I forgot to put this Glow and Revolution Prime Set Glow on. So let's try that out now. Comes with a lid like that, and then it has a lid on top. Don't know how this is going to work because I put mascara on, but we will find out. Don't think that's even... Has it done anything? I don't know if that's done anything. it's done a bit. It's like put glitter on your face. I think that's Daisy. I don't know what it does. Because it looks like that. So it does say you have to shake it, so I don't know if I need to shake it for longer. But that's me trying it out. Don't know if I really recommend it because I don't think I've done it right. Because it does look like there's meant to be glitter coming out on your face. But I don't know, but yeah. That's probably the only product I don't really recommend. Come here. Yeah. Here. You're fine. Come up. Daisy, up. Up. Jump. Daisy, jump. Jump. And my dog. Sorry if you're wearing headphones. Daisy took it. Daisy took it. Be careful. Daisy, look, look, look.